Hi there, and today we are going to be fixing the unclickable sold out button on your Shopify product page. So here I am in my Shopify homepage, and let's go to our live website. So just click online store. Then from here, click view your store so that we can go to our live Shopify website. So from here, let's go to a product. So I'll go to catalog and then I will go to this sold out product right here. So as you can see, I cannot click add to cart. And even if I click on the product page, I still can't click the button right here since this item is sold out. So what we need to do is that we need to fix the inventory issue for this product right here. So to do that, just go back right here in your Shopify dashboard and then click products. So from here, choose the specific product that is out of stock. So you can see it right here. If an item is out of stock, it will say 0 in stock and it has a red color. So from here, just click on it. So now we have this one, the athletic running shorts product. So just scroll down and see your inventory right here. So usually the inventory tracking is turned on and then you can see the inventory right here that is in 0. So what you need to do is that you just need to fix the inventory. So for example, let's change the inventory to 20 in stock. So just click save and then that will automatically fix the issue. So now when I go back to the live Shopify product page, I can just reload and then now I can add to cart this product right here. But if the problem still persists, there might be a problem in your location. So as you can see right now, the location for my product is set to Manila. But if you have multiple Shopify locations, so for example, you have like a Shopify website in another country, you also need to fix the inventory for that specific location. So just click this pencil icon right here to edit locations and then turn on the other locations in your Shopify. So I turned on this one, the New York store, click save. Then from here, as you can see, the New York store still has 0 inventory. So just adjust it so that it has an inventory and that should fix your problem. So from here, you can go back to your Shopify product page and reload and then you can see it is now available to add the item to the cart. And then that is basically it. So an additional information. So for example, if I make this 0 items again, you can also change the text that is shown on this button right here that will say sold out. So let me make this 0 again. And then what you can do is that we can reload this. This should say sold out. And then let's go back. And then go to the online store right here in themes. And then from here, just click the 3 dots and edit the default theme content. And then from the search bar, just type in sold out. You can change the text for the sold out button. So from here, go to products, and then instead of saying sold out, you can either say coming soon, click save, and then once I reload this, the text now shows coming soon. So you might want to do that depending on your preference. But that is basically it. That is how we can fix the unclickable sold out button in your Shopify product page. I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.